back to my channel, guys. You're in the kitchen with Lynn for some more simple easy recipe. Today I'm showing you how I make my garlic cheese bread. This bread is so soft, so moist. Let me tell you, this bread is everything. It is so tasty. It's not cheesy, it just has flavor of cheese on it. Break it up, fold it up, squeeze it up, guys, and from all indication you can see that this is a very good textured bread. Look at this, guys. So let's get right into the kitchen and let's get started. What we have here is some all-purpose flour, some salt, some yeast, granulated sugar, butter, and of course some lukewarm water. Into my mixing bowl, I'm going to add the lukewarm water along with this yeast. Now I'm going to add the sugar and then add the butter. Now add the flour. And what I'm going to do is list every ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Use the hook paddle and mix. So the mixture is a little soft and that's okay. I like it this way, guys. I don't like to knead with my hands. This machine does the work. I add 3 tablespoons of vegetable cooking oil into this mixture. Let it mix again until we get a nice smooth dough. Look at this. Flour your surface and place your dough on the countertop. Then knead the dough. As you can see, we have a good dough here ready to work with. Knead it in until you form a dough ball. Once you form a dough ball, you can use a damp towel, damp cloth, or you can even use your mixing bowl and cover your dough. Let it sit there for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove it. At this time, you can see how pliable our dough is, ready to work with. Now I'm going to divide the dough into equal pieces, depending on the size of bread you want to make. Then make some nice round balls. Once you're done making those balls, cover with a damp paper towel, a towel, whatever you want to cover it with, and let it sit again for another 35 minutes. This time I did grease my pan with some butter and I placed parchment paper over the butter. And now I'm going to roll my dough into oblong shape. Once it's done, just roll from one end inward or outward, whichever way you want to do it. And just pinch the ends. Place it into your pan. So you can roll from the opposite side again, which is outward, and just pinch the ends. It is so fun to work with flour, guys. Now at this time, you can take a very sharp knife or shears and clip the middle of the dough. Once you're done, cover and let it sit for 25 minutes. In the meantime, let's start cutting up our fresh parsley and garlic. And you want to cut the parsley and the garlic very fine. Once they're all done, mix them with the butter. And at this time, our dough is ready to be filled with our butter mixture. So just before we fill the dough with the butter mixture, we are going to baste the dough with some egg wash. And at this time, the oven is set to 350 degrees. Once it's all done, sprinkle a generous amount of sesame seeds right over the top of the dough. Then we're going to do the butter filling. Right in the slit of the dough, we're going to add that butter, garlic, and parsley filling there. Once it's all done, I'm using the single craft cheese to go with the white cheddar cheese. So what I did is to make some strips with the single craft cheese. That is just for, you know, a little lot of color. And you can add any type of cheese or any amount of cheese onto yours. Once it's all done, just place the single cheddar craft cheese right into the middle. And then decorate with some parsley and pop it into the oven. Let it bake until it is golden brown or for about 20 to 25 minutes. It all depends on your oven's temperature. Once it's done, garnish with some more freshly chopped parsley. And once it is cool and nice, then just serve up, guys. This garlic cheese bread is so tasty. It is so heavenly. It is so moist. Yes, guys, look at this. So don't you forget to give it a try. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And also subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. There are many more simple, easy cooking methods coming out from the kitchen. All right? So enjoy and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.